Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Intel Korea. In CADian CAD, you can conveniently create a double-sided offset when executing the offset command. Let's examine the double-sided spacing feature in the utility menu. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, then the Modification menu appears, and you select the Double Offset Distance option. Use the mouse to click 2 points to specify the distance for the offset. Once an object is selected, the offset is applied at the specified distance. We have demonstrated how to use the utility feature of CADian CAD to create a double-sided offset. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.